One sentence for a home inspector's marketing. Word of mouth marketing works really well when you can describe your unique value proposition in just one sentence. One simple sentence. A unique value proposition is that sentence that answers the questions, what do you do? Who are you? Why should I hire you instead of the next home inspector? And what problem can you solve for me? Every company should have this one sentence problem-solving answer written down. And if you don't, go ahead and work on it and make it simple. The short descriptive sentence should communicate your value proposition. If your inspection service is easy to describe, other people will be able to easily talk about it to others in simple and easy to understand ways. And people talk. And when they talk and they feel like they can communicate and provide other people with value, they will enjoy referring people to you. They won't feel like a salesperson when they send referrals to you because they'll be talking to people about your company that solves problems and educates homeowners with valuable services and information. For example, I have an HVAC company that comes to my house regularly. Now that company has solved a couple big comfort problems in my house, and I enjoy talking to my neighbors about this company. I feel like I'm providing other people that I know with value. So therefore, I talk. Here are some short value prop sentences that you can work on, okay? By the way, InterNACHI's value proposition sentence is, we help home inspectors succeed. And that's right on our website's homepage at nachi.org. So here's a big list of value propositions or short problem-solving phrases that you can use to inspire and build your own. But they're not perfect, but you can use them to help communicate to others the main reasons why they should hire your inspection company, okay? Here. Don't buy a house without getting it inspected first. Every home should be inspected every year as part of a homeowner's routine maintenance plan. Inspected once, inspected right. Every home should be safe and healthy, so hire us to inspect your home. Or your home is our business. Every home should be comfortable and energy efficient. Not every home has major defects, but some do. Make smart, informed decisions about your home purchase. Learn how your home works, how to maintain it, and how to save home energy. The right inspector right away. Bring peace of mind to every homeowner. Get educated about your biggest investment. Hire us today. Get to know your home inside and out. We help you focus on what matters most. We make your house feel like home. You've found the very best inspector right in our neighborhood. Anyone else is just looking around. Bringing clean air to life. And one of my favorites, available on weekends, bring the family. And one of the best ones is, we'll make finding your dream home into a nightmare. Just kidding about that one. Word of mouth marketing works really well when people can describe your unique value proposition in just one sentence, one catchy, easy to remember phrase. And that can be your homepage, headline, or tagline. And that sentence can be shared by others, to other people. That's word of mouth marketing. Now, get to work on your marketing and develop that one simple sentence.